I went the wrong...
Will I make it down the double black rated Batcave, or will I chicken out? Stay tuned to see the exciting conclusion.
So the trails are pretty wet in our area. They're kind of wet all over Texas, but we're gonna go ahead and take a chance. We've heard that Cameron Park in Waco, Texas is actually somewhat dry. I'm really hoping it's dry because we're driving like 3 hours to get there.
No Texas road trip is complete without making a stop at the mega gas station, Buc-ee's. I met up with Cobra Kyle and Hunt Style for this ride. Cameron Park has a lot of challenging climbs. I cut tons of hike-a-bike footage from this video.
Oh man. So the climb fest. Yeah, getting a little loose there. Oh, that sounded awful. Didn't blow a tire. Oh wow, I've seen this before. Go. Hunt Style. I knew that was gonna happen. We're gonna cross streams, video streams. Oh, I was not quite ready for that. Yeah. Trying to run Kyle's camera over, that's Thanks, Kyle. Oh my God. Oh, that's a big hole. Wow, this is fun. Did we miss something? I see a bridge back there.
Yeah, I think we're supposed to go the other way.
Don't tell me all the way back up, right?
This is Babel, another double black diamond trail. It's a steep, root-filled downhill trail. My rear tire got a little too friendly with my rear end on that last drop.
The last one.
And now, the exciting conclusion. Will I make it down the double black rated Batcave?
No! I went the wrong... I'm putting my glasses away, I can't see.
Oh yeah, it's the glasses holding me back. Right. Well, I guess not. Attempt 2 sucked.
I think I'm gonna start right here. I think I can do it. Hopefully. We're doing this. Oh, getting squirrely the whole way down. My feet were coming off the pedals like 4 times.
Okay, it was a little sloppy, but I made it down.
Jesus. Oh, I'm going right here.
He did it!
We missed out on the new jump section there, so hopefully we can get back and revisit it soon. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. So this is what happens when Huntstyle grabs your camera for you because you're dying from all the recent climbing. Thanks, Matt.
Alright, yeah. We just conquered that can't even talk. That double black. Double camera. This is how you do it. Vlog. Got all kinds of coverage.